Hello teacher and classmates, we are the team 5 and we are going to talk about the innovation. First, we need to know what is innovation, and for this reason we are going to explain it. Innovation is the implementation of a new or significantly improved product, good or service, or process, a new marketing method, or a new organizational method in business practices, workplace organization, or external relations.
Now that we know the definition of innovation, we're going to talk about the 4 main types of innovation. First of all, we have the product innovation, which is the introduction of a good or service that is new or significantly improved, respecting its characteristics. The improves can be in technical specifications, or in components, or in materials, among others. The second type is about the process innovation, which is the implementation of a new or improved production or delivery method. This includes changes in techniques, equipment, and/or software. The third type is called the marketing innovation, which is the implementation of a new marketing method involving changes in product design, product promotion, or the pricing. The last one is the organizational innovation, which is the implementation of a new organizational method.
When we use innovation, we're going to have a lot of benefits. Some of them are that we can solve impossible problems, and this happens when we analyze a problem and we use creativity to add something new with the purpose of improve the process, product, or service. Then we have that we can increase the workplace productivity, and this happens because an innovation in a process can reduce the time, the cost, or the way to do the things, and that will give us more productivity.
Now we are going to talk about the models of innovation. They are 5, and they are the linear model, the impulse model, the model of demand pool, the business model, and the chain link model.
Linear model, research and development process that gives rise to innovation process can be successful or not. They arise from an observation, a proposal for improvement, or a market analysis. Model, development of innovation through causality, through sequestration, an orderly process to commercialize a product or process that can be economically viable, using technological development and market launch. Demand pool, greater participation in the market that is accompanied by a growing strategic emphasis in the market. Without sequestration, an orderly charter which complicates the identification of each of the activities with precision. Business model, the biggest change after having an innovative idea is how to develop and materialize it. It must be chosen, develop, and also innovate in the business model to achieve the desired success. Chain link model, set of activities relate to each other and whose results are frequently uncertain. There is no linear progression between the activities of the process.
Now we are going to talk about the application of innovation in the tourist industry. As we already know, innovations in the tourism sector help in satisfying the needs of travelers as well as in exceeding their expectations and generating unique experiences. Year after year, we see in the industry new improvements in the processes and provision of services. The most obvious change in the last few years in hospitality is the sharing economy. The face of this movement is called the Airbnb. As well, nowadays we live in an hyper-connected world. That's why another innovation in the industry is in the airlines. Nowadays, a huge number of airlines offer internet to their passengers. They also start adding power outlets so that their passengers can charge their devices. Thank you all for your attention and have a wonderful day.